Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Yeah, Samsung continues to be the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. A huge reason for its astonishing success is the popularity of its Galaxy S line. Over the years, the Galaxy S line has become synonymous with Android, being some of the most well-known and most revered devices in the market. In 2023, we expect that to continue with the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. What could Samsung have in store for the Galaxy S23 line? There are a lot of unknown details as of right now, but meanwhile, we also can make a wish list of features we hope Samsung brings around for the Galaxy S23 phones. The Galaxy S line is Samsung's most popular premium smartphone series. It is inevitable that the company would launch a new entry in the series, just as it has done every year since 2010. Of course, Samsung has thrown curveballs in the past in relation to the names of the phones. For instance, we skipped from the Galaxy S10 series to the Galaxy S20 series. However, Samsung did this mainly to align the name of the phone with the year in which it was released. Therefore, it's nearly certain the new Galaxy S line would be known as the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. It stands to reason that Samsung would launch the Galaxy S23 series in February 2023. However, don't rule out a January or even March launch. Samsung has launched the phones in those months in the past. There's also no telling how the ongoing global chip shortage could change the company's plans. One of the biggest ever shifts for the Galaxy S line happened in 2022. That's when Samsung remodeled the Galaxy S22 Ultra to make it look and function more like a Galaxy Note phone. This included it being a boxy design with an S Pen slot. However, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus remained largely the same when compared to the previous models. Samsung also very rarely downgrades specs across the years. We expect the Galaxy S23 Ultra to have similar or better specs across the board when compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. That would mean at least 8 GB of RAM, at least 128 GB of internal storage, a 1440p display with at least a 120Hz refresh rate, a battery capacity of at least 5000 mAh, and a wired charging speed of at least 45 W. It would also mean a similar quad-sensor rear camera with 2 telephoto lenses and the main sensor to meet or exceed 108 MP in quality. There are vague early rumors of a possible 200 MP shooter on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's very possible Samsung could repeat this strategy in 2023. If that happened, the Galaxy S23 Ultra would look a lot like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus wouldn't change much either. This is the same strategy Apple employs for iPhones. It's not often that Apple wildly revamps the looks of the phones, instead opting to subtly refine the design each year. Samsung Galaxy S phones are almost always the first globally available devices with the latest flagship silicon from Qualcomm. As such, you can expect all 3 Samsung Galaxy S23 phones to have the as yet unannounced Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 inside, and unannounced Exynos 2300. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.